Hello, everyone. Imagine a world that different type of drones working hand in hand with humans and help them with the work that they do. But the thing is, this is not an imagination anymore or science fiction. The construction industry, as one of the fastest adopters of drone technology, is seeing firsthand how such disruptive technology is changing the construction work. It's soon expected to have drone-dominant construction job site where a heterogeneous teams of drones with different responsibilities like builder drones, delivery drones, and safety drones will work collaboratively with humans to perform various construction-related tasks. But the integration of such flying robots in the construction job site raises novel safety challenges, which might make the construction job site even more dangerous than before. In our research, we'll use simulation and virtual reality technology together with different types of sensors to study the health and safety implication of this integration of drones on the construction job site. We are particularly focusing on fatal and non-fatal physical risk, the tensional cost, and the psychological impact on workers when they work close or collaboratively with drones on the construction job site. This research will expand our knowledge of natural human behavior in drone-populated construction job environments. Moreover, the safety knowledge generated through this study will not only help with formalizing comprehensive regulation for drone use, but also could lead to the efficient design of drones and unmanned aerial systems to satisfy construction-specific needs. So let's safely work hand in hand, or let's call it hand in wing, with drones. Thank you.